Thanks, sir. Enjoy the ride. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Twoloosebricks Adventures, Bricksters and Lego friends. Don't forget your VIP ticket to enjoy all the fun right here in the amusement park. Alright, so here is my latest creation or MOC, loosely based off the Fairground mixer, of course, and I decided to go with the colors red, yellow, and green, and that gives it sort of the island feel to it. And I am calling this the Pineapple Express because I have 3 little pineapples on the top of each of the spindles, so therefore that's why I nicknamed it that, and it looks really cool. So anyway, this is just a quick overview of the Pineapple Express. I will take another video and go in depth on how it actually works and some close-ups of it in more detail coming up in another video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload that next video, and I'll talk to you guys again soon.